Hi YouTube, it's Queen Pam, Elon QP, and I'm here today with some Saturday makes. Um, I used some sequins from Cartwright. These say that they are lemon yellow. There's no name on here, but I'm pretty sure I got them from Cartwright. And I'm featuring today the Simon Says card kit for April. I used these two washi tapes that I got. I used the stencil set. I ordered the die set that did not come in the kit. Tim Holtz Serendipity collage paper was in the card kit. This stamp set named Butterfly Blossoms was in the card kit. And paper from Paper Rose. And also cardstock from Simon Says that was in the kit, and some paper tray. Now, what I did here was follow Cards and Coffee Time exactly, pretty much exactly, with some of the things that I had. Besides, I think the string is different, and I did a little different on the butterflies. There was sparkle um, texture paste from Tim also in the kit. And I followed her card kit, and she does some extraordinary work, and it took me a long time. So then I said I would go my own way. So here I used washi tape on the layer behind and the collage paper. I stamped and colored the flower with a stencil. She stamped right over hers, but I didn't quite like that because I couldn't see it, so I cut it out and overlaid it. And that's card number one. Then I went my own way, but I sort of did two of them with a little bit different colorways. This was one sheet of the 6x6 paper. I first cut it down to 3x6 so I could make sure I got two. And then I used, I didn't show this yet, I didn't think, the Gina Marie Designs. One of the reasons her dies and things are so cheap, there's no name on it. But this is the one. And I cut the pattern paper. Then, before I cut the second layer, I covered it with the washi tape, not all the way not all the way around, just around a little bit. Then I used some pine feather paper tray ink paper and cut another layer. And then I put the same washi tape on my card front. Yep. And I believe this is from Tailored Expressions, one of her sentiment strips. It was in my sentiment strip folder, so I don't actually know who made it. And I kind of went the same way with this one. The butterflies are from the Simon Says stamp kit. And I just put the washi on that layer. Haven't done anything to the insides, but I do make things with the stuff I buy. And so thank you for watching. And as always, I leave you in the hands of the creator.